So now I'm going to talk about the storyboarding feature in Celtx. And storyboarding, especially for me, since my background's in video production, is something that a professional video production is going to want to do. And it's basically an outline of your story, a visual outline of your story to set up so you know what exactly you're going to shoot. So to do this, just like everything else, we're going to add it through the Add button, and you would just click Storyboard. I'm going to show you the example they already have set up for The Wizard of Oz. And then you can see we've got our scene heading right here. We'll call it our sequence. And then we've got our storyboards. And each one represents a shot and then has a description of that shot. And you can see we edit that by clicking it. And so to add images to your storyboard, of course you're going to have a storyboard artist create them first, either on paper and then scan them into your computer, or if they can create them on the computer, that's how you would do that. But you would just double click down here and it brings up a little browser to find it on your computer. So it's got to be on your computer. So you would just search for it, and you can select one file at a time and add them in order, or you could select all the files and then put them in the correct order. So to arrange files, you see you can just drag them over to change the order of files. I'm going to put this one all the way up here. That's what I would do, and push everything back one. So that's how working with your storyboards, and I can delete them by just hitting that X right there if I didn't want to. And then some other things we can. This is just one scene, so we can add a whole new sequence, you see. And then this could be, a different scene. And then we can start images, and it'll be a whole new storyboard for a new scene. And then if I wanted to delete one, of course I just go over here, and I can delete the entire scene. And of course, like I showed you, delete individual storyboards, which is X right there. And one other really cool thing about it is this play button right here. You just click on that. Let me make it a little smaller so you can see. And you can play your storyboard in a little player here. So you set the number of seconds in between frames or individual storyboards right here. There's a drop down for the sequence, and then you hit play, and you'll see it'll start playing. And you've got the sequence at the top and the description at the bottom, and then you're changing pictures. So you kind of get a feel for what how the movie's going to look before you've even recorded video. So that's the storyboarding feature in Celtx.